What's the meaning of clinician? Clinician. Clinician.
Clinician. Clinician. A clinician is a healthcare professional who works directly with patients in diagnosing, treating, and managing various medical conditions. These professionals can include physicians, nurses, pharmacists, physical therapists, psychologists, social workers, and other healthcare practitioners. Clinicians are responsible for providing individualized care to patients, often within the context of a team-based approach to healthcare delivery. They may work in a variety of settings, including hospitals, clinics, private practices, and other healthcare facilities. The role of a clinician is critical in helping to ensure that patients receive quality care that is tailored to their unique needs and circumstances.